Kids, we are going on a trip!
Hooray!
Today we're going to learn aeroplane safety rules with Penny and Pete.
I'm gonna listen to my music for the whole flight!
Hello, dear passengers. Please listen to the safety rules. Rule 1! Pit, you need to listen to the safety rules.
Okay, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Please fasten your seatbelts. Huh?
Oh!
Wow! Rule 2!
Oh, Penny, you can't move right now. Look at this sign. You must stay in your seat when it's on.
Oh, okay.
Good. Oops, I'm sorry.
Rule 3. You can't run in the airplane. Do you understand me?
Yes, Mommy.
Okay, here you go.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thank you, sir. Huh? Huh? What? Rule 4. Oh. Kids, be quiet.
Oops.
We're sorry. There we go.
Oh, fun! Be careful going down the ladder. Bye-bye. See you soon.